Okay, tip number 3. Don't let it be. Apologies to Paul McCartney. Be has many forms: is, am, are, was, were, be, being. And all of those forms, when used alone, can weaken your sentences. Okay, let's compare 2 sentences and you'll see what I mean. Amanda is running marathons for weight loss. Compare that to Amanda runs marathons for weight loss. Do you see how is running is less visual than runs? It's the same thing for this example. Paul is blogging for a living versus Paul blogs for a living. Sure, some uses of be are necessary, but challenge yourself, because many times that be can be revised to include an action word instead. An example I like is about Mom's blueberry pie is delicious. Well, Mom would be more activated by your compliment if you wrote Mom's blueberry pie tastes delicious. She would really like that. Dr. Seuss would also be thrilled if instead of writing Dr. Seuss was the creator of Grinch, you simply wrote Dr. Seuss created the Grinch. There you see more action because it's not a be verb. Another common be verb trap that I bet you've been told about before is the passive voice. Here's a common example. The speeding van was stopped by the state trooper. Well, make that active first by removing the be, and then simply showing the actor performing the action. The state trooper stopped the speeding van. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you want more of these 10 tips, please check out this playlist, and it will give you access to all 10. Okay, see you in the next video.